Hello friends, myself Tejas Lad. I am from 2018-2020 batch Finance A. Actually yesterday I have been to Bombay and therefore I am quarantined in this room, and so I could not find a better place to shoot out this video. But then I thank the organizer to give an opportunity to interact. So from morning 9:30 to evening 5:30 or maybe sometimes till 6:30 I am busy with my job. But apart from that, in my free time I like to hear songs, I like to listen songs, and also I like reading. So currently I am reading The Man Who Sold the Market. Also I keep on reading about share market. I keep on looking for charts about share market. I keep on reading about technical analysis in my free time. Talking about life at MIT, life at MIT was itself a fun, and there are many things that can be cherished. But some things that come to my mind at this point of time are our Mahabaleshwar trip. It was really a fantastic trip, well arranged and well organized trip. Like the singing system over there, food over there, atmosphere over there, and the places that we visited, means really it was a very nice trip. And as a class we got to know each other very well and socializing with each other, so it was really a very good trip. There are many things like this in the class. We really enjoyed our class and it was really a great place, our class. I miss my bench, I miss my bench partners, that musti, that fun, everything. So it was really a very good class actually. Then some proud moments. Talking about some proud moments, there was a prayer meet arranged for those who lost their life in Pulwama attack, and Rahul sir arranged that meet, and he asked some students. It was on the ground of MIT, so there was a huge crowd, and he asked if anyone wants to come up on the stage and speak out something. Many students went up on the stage, and I was like कि मुझे भी कुछ बोलना है, but I was little bit afraid कि इतने लोगों के सामने कैसे बोलूँ. And I thank Rishabh, my friend. He encouraged me and he asked me कि you can go and you can speak. You are so much like you like politics, you like these topics, and now it's a chance and you can go and speak. And I went on the stage, I spoke out my heart, and after speaking, Rahul sir asked me my name and spoke few words on what I spoke. So it was really a proud moment for me. Also, like 3-day rural immersion program, it was really great to be a part of that organizing committee for that rural immersion, because personally I like social service, and being part arranging the events and all I was really very interested in it, and being the part of that committee was really a proud for me. And that 3 days were really the best days of my life, because I got to learn many things, and we have arranged very good programs as well. So yes, as a class we have enjoyed a lot, and I really miss my friends calling me Teja. I also miss the Hyderabad trip. It was really very good trip, and maybe yes, it was the last trip as a class we went somewhere. And yes, it was a very wonderful experience being 2 years in MIT. I have done my technical analysis certification from NCFM. I have done my equity derivative certification and security analysis certification. Also, investment advisory level 1 certification from NISM. Also, I used to do some short certifications from Udemy and Coursera. I have done my Excel certification from Udemy itself. And also in this lockdown period, I have done some certification related to equities from Udemy itself. But having said that, I would like to tell that only certifications or only that piece of paper of certificate is not that necessary. The skill that you acquired and how you apply those skills, that is more important than collecting the certificate. So talking about my job, I am working at Morningstar India Private Limited. It is in Vashi, New Bombay. Actually our super senior Krishna Gaggad, he is working there, and he is the student of Madam Ujjwala Bairagi. So due to him, we got to know about the vacancy in the company, and we 3-4 friends went there to give the interview, and from 2nd February 2020 I joined the company. And really I'm thankful to God that I have joined in February itself, because like this coronavirus and then the pandemic situation, lockdown, it was, means if I would have delayed the joining, then it would have really been hard for me, because the company needed me to join on 1st January itself, but due to exam I have postponed the joining by 1 month. And again, when in February the company told that you will have to join by February 2nd, I was like, I need some more time, because I have lived in Pune for 6 years, and settling to a completely new place was, I was like, I need some time. So but then I moved on, and I thought now it's time to leave Pune, and I joined the company, and really now I feel good, and I am proud of my decision that it was the right time to join the company. And now I have completed 6 months in the company. So I thank Madam Ujwala Bairagi also, I thank to Krishna Gaggad also. At the same time, if Manjari Madam at all is watching this video, I would like to thank her also, because I've shared this incident, it is about the interview process, I've shared it with many of my friends. But then if Manjari Madam is watching this video, I would like to share it with all. She was teaching us FRA, and there were 3 interviews, actually the 3 interviews. And in the first interview itself, the question was like, if the company is not public, if the company is private, and even though if the company is public, apart from annual report, where will you find the information of the company? And I know while teaching FRA, she told us to write it down, that from where you can find the information about the company. And when this question was thrown at me, I smiled at the interviewer, and I gave the answer like press releases are there, self disclosures are there. And I said, thank God Manjari ma'am was teaching us this subject. I have seen my friends who has been placed in this situation also, and with a good packages, but then they had that skill. So it's not the thing that there is a lockdown or there is this situation and therefore you cannot get placed. If you have the skill, if you have the will, and if you try it hard, like if you try at 10 places, at least in the 2 places you can find a job. So talking about the current situation, yes, it is hard, but then securing job is, it is upon you and your skill, how much you try it out and what efforts you put in. So that's it. For 6 years I was away from my hometown, and this lockdown has gave me an opportunity to stay with my family. So I am here and giving most of my time to my family. I am really eagerly waiting when this lockdown will get over and when can I enjoy my life like I used to enjoy earlier. Because from March and now it is July, it's really a very huge time, and sitting at just one place and having the same daily routine, it's really boring and sometimes frustrating. So post lockdown, we family members are planning to have a long distance travel. Let's see when this lockdown gets over and when can we travel. So before winding it up, if juniors are at all watching this video, I just want to advise that focus on skills, focus on developing skill, choose one area and focus on that area and excel in that area. Because I have been here in my company for 6 months, and various experiences have made me introspect that what I have done in past 6 years of my educational life. Because what is more important in the industry is not what all you have, like degrees and certifications and such sort of things. The most important thing is what you speak, how you speak. The most important thing is your attitude, with what attitude you speak. Because The company, they just want to get the job done. So if a BBA guy is doing that job, they will hire that guy rather than hiring you. I also want to share the experience, like I was being trained for 2 months, and the trainer was just an BBA graduate. So an MBA was trained by a BBA graduate. So this is the difference, because he had that skills. So focus on your skills. And currently I would like to share with the juniors that technology is everything. So just having knowledge of finance is not that good. Having a blend of technology with finance, I think that will really help you in long run. Currently I am also developing my technological skills, like I am trying to learn Python, and that is really important in fintech world. Today everything is technology based. Means if you are into finance, now it is fintech. So just focus on your skills. Also, if you have if you know about Google, now Google has launched a program, an online program through Coursera is an online website. So they have launched a program through Coursera, and it will be considered equivalent to 4-year degree program when you will go in Google for interviews, and similar companies for interviews. So today what the company needs is skills and not the degrees and certificates. So focus on your skills rather than focusing on degree. Focus on skills.